Hello YouTube, King Leo the Epic here, and today I'm going to show you how to upload a video onto YouTube. Okay, it's pretty obvious that you'll need a video to upload at the beginning. And a few other things you'll need: a camera, a computer of some kind, including this, and the computer I'm using right now, iMac. But above all else, if you want to upload a video onto YouTube, you need an internet connection. See what you're looking at right here? This was it was a screen recording that I took on my phone, and this is what I normally do when I'm uploading a a YouTube video. I go to my iMovie app and edit this stuff. Okay? And this up here, this is our test video. It's only 4 seconds long. Okay, here's the plan. You see that little box with the arrow pointing up? That's what you hit to do this. Okay, we're gonna skip the imaginative part and skip right to the point. Hit the share button to upload it to YouTube. See? It's right here on my channel. Not that it means anything, just a little test. Okay, as for how you're viewing this video that I uploaded from a computer, just go to the top of the screen and hit the share icon. And just sort through your options. Sorry, that's the best I can do. That's about it for me. Okay? I gotta admit, it's been fun doing an advice video for the first time. Okay? And I'd appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel and hit the notifications button, because I plan on doing a lot more videos from now on. See ya, and good luck with your own YouTube.